Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla Petrie and I'm here with another makeup video. Today I'm going to be showcasing an eyeshadow palette from a company called Entice. Entice Beauty or Entice Makeup, I'm not entirely sure, but I will have their information linked below. I was sent this really pretty eyeshadow palette. And it's cool because it does have glitter in it, which is really cool. Instead of having like a loose glitter, it has it compact. And so this was kind of my first time using something like this, but it wasn't bad at all. I'm actually very grateful that they sent it to me, and you will see me using this palette in the future for more tutorials. And I also used a pair of lashes from a company called Eyelashes. I know her personally and she's a wonderful person, and I definitely wanted to support her brand. But these are the lashes, very quality lashes, and they definitely complement this look. This is the look, and for any future looks, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification button so when I do post a video, you are not left behind. If you are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep watching. Starting with my chocolate brown brow pencil from Sephora, I'm just going to fill in my brows. Taking my NC44 foundation stick from MAC, I'm just going to conceal my brows. And it comes in a stick, but I actually depotted the stick so that I can use it for these purposes. Next, taking my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, I'm priming my eyes. Then I'm going to get right into this palette. It's the Entice Cosmetics palette, and you see that I'm just using that pinky shade, and I'm just using that as just like a rough base for my crease. Next, taking that shade right next to the first color that I used, I'm concentrating that one a little more deeply in the crease. Now I'm going into the brown shade, and I'm just going to concentrate that on the outer corners, and then I'm going to blend that into the crease. So I'm cutting my crease, and I'm using my NC45 Prolongwear Concealer from MAC, and I'm looking up just to kind of get a guideline for my crease, and that kind of creates where I want the top of it to be. So you see right there, I'm kind of looking up, and then I connect that top line to the rest of my eye just to kind of create that shape that I like. Setting my concealer with my Makeup Forever powder in Y445. I'm priming my lid with my Too Faced glitter adhesive. I'm going into the silver glitter, and I'm just going to apply that on top of where I put my concealer, and I'm just going to try to create the same shape. When you're using glitter, you do have to be careful because it can get a little messy. So if you want to be more precise, you can even go in with like a brush smaller than the one that I'm using. Going back into the brown shade, I'm really just going to concentrate that in the crease. I've done this before, so I use my Sephora liner not for the pigment or the color. I use it for the tool. I like to apply my eyeliner using this tool. It makes it really easy for me to draw the line, but I'm actually using Inglot's gel liner in the color number 77. I'm cleaning up my liner with my Prolongwear Concealer in the color NC45. Taking my callus glue, I'm going to line near my eyes to help me apply my lashes. These are from the company Main Eyelashes, and those are #GAF. I'm just going to tightline my eyes with the pencil Smolder from MAC. I'm just applying my 3D mascara. This is so important to get your lashes to blend properly. Taking my Shea Moisture Black Soap Moisturizer, I'm just going to moisturize my face. Then I'm going to use my Hydro Grip Primer from Milk Makeup. I'm just going to set my face with my Makeup Forever powder in shade Y445, and I find that this kind of helps balance the oils a little bit. I'm taking my NARS foundation in the shade Morea. This is one of my favorite foundations as far as color goes. One thing I will say about this foundation though, it is, I feel like I'm normally kind of oily by the time I finish my foundation routine. Maybe if I didn't set my face, that might help the makeup last, but that's the only downfall of this foundation for me. Now this product has been my favorite purchase throughout this entire quarantine. It is the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline, and I absolutely love it. The color's amazing. And the coverage is everything. Like, this is just the perfect shade for me. I'm taking my foundation stick from MAC in NW50, and I'm using that to contour my face. Now I'm just blending out my contour with a duo fiber brush, and I like to smile when I do that to kind of keep me in check as far as how far I want my contour to go down. That really serves as a guide. Using that same brush, I'm also blending out my concealer. I feel like you get a really seamless blend when you kind of go back and forth between brushes. I'm taking a dense fluffy brush and I'm really just blending all of that concealer out. Taking my Makeup Forever powder again in Y445, I'm just setting all over my face before I apply my Black Radiant loose setting powder in the shade Banana. So I really like this setting powder. It is super matte. It's not as fine as the Laura Mercier, but I really like the mattness. I'm going into my Coco Naughty bronzer from Fenty Beauty, and I'm using that to bronze up my face. Using that same brush, I'm going into my Petal Power blush by MAC, and I actually also use this as a highlight as well. Now I'm lining my waterline with my Smolder pencil from MAC. I really like this one because it's waterproof. And I'm just going to smudge that out with that brown shade from the palette. I'm also using my 3D mascara for my bottom lashes. Taking BFF3 from ColourPop, I'm just going to line and lightly fill in my lips. Then I'm taking BFF4 and I'm just outlining my lips. And I use this shade Naturally Transformed from MAC. That shade has been discontinued, but it is my favorite lipstick of all time. To set my face, I'm using Revlon's Photo Ready Set. And I like to use my fan to make sure everything is dry. So here's the final look. I'm so pleased with the eyeshadow, and I'm actually very pleased with my lashes. I think everything complemented each other. The one thing I will say, in comparison to the last video I did, my face is definitely not as matte as it was. I don't know if it was the Milk of Magnesia or the foundation, but I'm definitely going to try to switch it up a little bit. Let me know what you think it may be that may be causing me to be a little more on the oily side today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Peace.